perfectly formed baby cuttlefish, no larger than a pea. Within a few weeks, a male has grown to a length of around 6 centimetres and is already a stealthy hunter. But when the moon disappears, even he cannot see, and the darkness usually brings hunting to an end. Tiny, light-producing algae create vast clouds of bioluminescence. They are stimulated to switch on by any sudden movement in the water. The hunter must move very smoothly to avoid creating a light show of his own. A year later, the cuttlefish are fully grown, and this male is now looking for a female. But the traditional breeding site is empty. The cuttlefish that gathered here to mate have been caught in a fishing pot. Our cuttlefish population can tolerate some loss to fishing, but surely we shouldn't put pots where they habitually breed and prevent them from producing a next generation.